Hey lovies, today I am going to show you my dewy makeup look, which is very easy to do and perfect for everyday makeup routine. And if you want to watch this video in Hindi, you can watch it from the icon above. Now without wasting a second, let's get started. This is my bare skin and the first step is to cleanse the face. For cleansing my face, I use a salicylic based foaming face wash. Next I use an anti-aging serum. I have made a detailed video on anti-aging serums and why they are important, so check it out from the icon above. Third is moisturizing. With a lightweight and oil-free formula, the vitamin C oil-free moisturizer will not make the skin look greasy or oily and will give a healthy glow. Then I use a silicone-based non-comedogenic sunscreen. I have made a detailed video about this sunscreen. You can check it out from the icon above. The sunscreen gives great glow and absorbs into the skin in few seconds. As you can see, I am already glowing, but there are many dark spots which are visible. So to cover them up, I use a concealer. Now, this is the part where we are actually going to use the makeup. I apply the concealer on my dark spots and on the places where I want my face to highlight. Then I blend it up with my finger. As you all can see, the dark spots are not visible anymore. The next step is to do the eyebrows. I like to keep my eyebrows simple, and fortunately I have got thick eyebrows, so I only have to fill few parts and shape them. My right eyebrow is done, let's do the left one. My eyebrows are all set, now let's do the eyes. For the dewy makeup look, I like to have light makeup on my eyes. So I start with applying liner on the inner lash of my eyes, which makes a big difference. Here you can see applying liner on the inner lash makes the lash line look thicker and darker. Then I apply mascara on the upper eyelash. Here you can see the difference between two. Now let's do the left one and I am done with the eyes. The next thing is the lips. I really like gradient lips, so for that I use a nude shade lipstick and apply it on my lips. Then I use a darker shade of lipstick on the inner part of my lips and blend it with the nude shade lipstick. And my lips are done. The last step is to add blush. I use a lip tint and put 2 dots on the cheeks, then blend it out with my fingers. And here is the final result. Do let me know what you think about my simple dewy makeup look in the comment box. And also let me know if you want to see a simple Korean makeup tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.